Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we'll be talking about is the bike. This is the Aprilia RS 660, an unmistakable Italian masterpiece in the middleweight sport bike world. With its striking looks, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance, it's not just a bike, it's a work of art. Let's dive into what makes the RS 660 a game-changer in the sport bike segment. Its design captures attention instantly, with aerodynamic lines inspired by Aprilia's MotoGP heritage and a compact frame that makes it feel both powerful and agile. At the front, you'll see triple LED headlights with signature DRLs, giving it an aggressive stance. And these winglets? Not just for show, they're here to stabilize the bike at high speeds. Powered by a 659 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the RS 660 delivers an impressive 100 horsepower, offering a blend of smooth power delivery and that thrilling Aprilia sound. Whether you're on city streets or hitting the track, it has more than enough punch. But it's not just about speed. The RS 660 is designed with advanced rider aids like multi-level traction control, cornering ABS, and a quick shifter, making it adaptable for everyday rides and adrenaline-filled weekend sessions. The 5-inch TFT display keeps you connected to your ride, with information like lean angles, G-forces, and speed right at your fingertips. It even has smartphone connectivity, so you can sync your bike with the Aprilia app for a complete riding experience. Handling is another strong suit of the RS 660. With a lightweight aluminum frame, fully adjustable suspension, and a responsive setup, it carves through corners effortlessly. This bike is built for riders who crave precision and control. With the Aprilia RS 660, you're not just riding a motorcycle. You're part of a legacy, one that combines Italian engineering with an unbridled passion for performance. This is a bike that redefines what it means to ride. Let us know what you think of the RS 660 in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of performance machines. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.